Welcome back. Today topic is active voice to passive voice. Present continuous tense in negative sentence. See example, active voice subject is am are not plus V for object. If we find in the question subject is not V for object, subject am not V for object, otherwise subject are not V for object. That should be present continuous tense. In the passive voice form, object first place should be taken first place. Is, am, are, any one of them should choose. Negative word not. Additional helping verb is being because it is continuous tense. Verb form 3, preposition by subject. Now suitable helping verb subject and helping verb. See, is, she is, it is. I am, we are, you are, they are. Now example 1. I am not asking a book. I am not asking a book. See, A for analysis. Subject helping verb not, main verb V for object. To find tense. Subject helping verb V4. Subject am plus V4. Subject am plus V4. Sometimes is plus V4, are plus V4. That refers to present continuous tense. I am not asking a book. It is a present continuous tense. And to find kinds of sentence. In the sentence not is there, so that it is present continuous tense negative. Now answer is, first of all, a book. Object should be written first. Suitable helping verb is and not. Additional helping verb is being. Verb form 3, asked, preposition is by. I changes as me. I changes as me. And second one, object what is there? A book. Suitable helping verb is, a book refers to it. It is. It is. Not plus being. Not plus being. Writing third form is written. Preposition is by. He changes as him. He changes as him. A book is not being written by him. Here A for means what is that? Apply object first place. Helping verb is, am, are, any one of them which is suitable. And negative word is not. Being helping verb, additional helping verb. Verb form 3, preposition by and subject. This is about present continuous tense negative. Now active voice to passive voice, past continuous tense in the negative models. See, past continuous tense active structure is subject was or were not plus V for object. These are helping verbs. This is main verb V4. That means V1 plus ing form. Now object should be taken first place in the passive voice form. Either was or were helping verbs. Not plus being additional helping verb. V3 preposition by subject. Now suitable helping verbs. Agreement between subject and helping verb. He was, she was, it was. They were, you were, we were, you were. Now first example, I was not giving a book. I was not giving a book. According to ATK formula, A for analysis. Subject I, helping verb was, not, V4 plus object. To find tense, Subject was V for object. Subject was V for object. Sometimes subject were V for plus object. That means to find tense means past continuous tense. K refers to kinds of sentence. The sentence not is there, so that it is negative sentence, past continuous tense negative. And to find, to apply, A for apply. Object first place, helping verb not being V3 preposition by subject. Otherwise this is object was or were not plus being V3 preposition by subject. Both are same. First of all, object should be taken first. A book. Suitable helping verb is was. It refers to was. Book refers to it. It refers to was. A book was not. Book was not. Additional helping verb is being. Giving third form is given. Preposition is by. Subject changes as object. Here our subject is I, changes as me. Full stop. Second one, me is object, changes as I. I was not being. Third form, what is that? Calling, called by. They refers to them. These are the example for past continuous tense.